drawing squad. So today I am drawing a heart-shaped cake. So I am so excited. I am so excited. Let's just zoom in. I don't know what to say. Zoom in! Okay guys, so today I am gonna draw a cute, simple cake. And this time I'm still gonna draw, but it's perfect drawing. So first, we are gonna draw the wait. Sorry for doing this, but first I'm gonna need to make it like 20. I need to make it because this is a big cake. Yes, okay? So if you know that, then later you will see another line. So I'm going to do another line. Like this. Then we do like this. Wait, sorry. Because this is not perfect, I need to make it. Wait. So I need to erase all this. Why is it so? I need to make it until 40. No, I think 20 is better, right, guys? So, peach. So first, I am gonna make the cake like this. It's a cute, simple cake, so you don't need to do so much. Because I love to do some simple things. And I like to draw because this. Why is my cake upside down? I need to know this first. What did this? Boss. I see Granny Didi. Sorry, my brother. I need to do like this. Like what they did in the picture. Yes, perfect. Like this. And this. Perfect. And this. Oops, but I need to make this bigger. I must not be like so small. Must not be so small. Because a cake is not that small. Okay, so now we're gonna do the toppings. It looks juicy, right? George cookie. I wish I could eat this ice cream that I just drawn. So now I'm gonna do the candle. Candle? Yes. I want to eat the candle. No, you can't. Yes. Guys, do not follow what my brother just said. Children who's watching this, do not eat candles. Okay? Okay, so this is like a simple thing to do. So I don't want to waste a lot of times because I wasted a lot of time somewhere. So now we're gonna do the mouth. But don't worry. So the mouth will be one tooth. This will be sleeping. Yay! My cake must be taller and slimmer, not better. No lah, I cannot. I need to make a fatty. Okay, so this one I must erase. I think I have to erase the whole thing. Okay, great. Okay, for this one, I need to make it like this. Yay! Perfect cake. Then now we're gonna do this. Perfect, magnificent. Then now we're gonna do this. It's so perfect, right? Now I will do 1, 2. Two big cake, big ice. Then the cake will have one thing and then you blink. Then
help me.
Like this. It's perfect, right? Wait, but this thing must be even bigger. So the smell.
Again, my turn.
Must be like this. Must see the top. Perfect. On top must be the candle. Whether I have space or not. But it's okay. Nice. Perfect. And now we're going to cover it with hearts. Yay! Oopsies. This one I never got a candle.
Look.
So this is. So I am gonna do some.
Okay, done.
Thumbs up.
Done.
And then some designs here.
What?
Here, like this. Okay, then I'll give my heart one big heart like this.
Okay, done.
Like this.
Okay, done.
So thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and check out for more videos. Bye. Thank you for watching my channel. And please subscribe and hit the bell and like it. And before you go, my next channel, I am gonna draw a cute little house. So please subscribe and thank you. Zooming out.